Welcome to Lane University. My name is Conrad Layn. Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm going to teach you and share another strategy on learning how to become an exceptional all-star Turo host or Turo par host. And this is how you do it. Simply book a trip to Turo. Learn what it's like to be a guest. And if you're an all-star host or a par host, you get credits, Turo credits, to actually rent a car anyway for absolutely for free. Use it. And even if you don't have that, if you're a regular Turo host, you don't have these Turo credits that are given to all-star hosts and to par hosts, then make sure you rent a car, even if it's for one day. So you learn how the messaging works on the Turo guest side. So you learn how it is to pick up a car, drop off a car, remote check-in, check-out, meeting with a guest, meeting with the Turo host and communicating with them. And you can see what this Turo host does. You can also ask some tips in person. And even if you don't ask some tips in person, the point is you get to learn the experience from the guest side. It's very beneficial if you learn this. And even if you don't want to use your profile or your name, that's fine. Maybe you don't want to give up who you are, or maybe you don't want, then fine. Use a friend, a wife, spouse, significant other, friend, brother, whoever, and go through theirs and be with them and see what the experience is like. See what it's like to add a family member as a secondary driver. Learn the system on the Turo guest side, and that will definitely benefit your business on the Turo par host or Turo all-star host side or the Turo host side. Very important to do this. I love you guys. I have many more videos to come. If you like this channel, you subscribe to the channel, show your love and support. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below. What would you do in a situation? Would you like to actually let me know what you would do? Leave a comment below. Do you like this type of strategy? Have you done this before? Answer below. Carlin out.